Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside edit mode with the object selected. Immediately switch to vertex select and press it to highlight everything. Once done, inspect normals and apply scale. Make sure transforms are zeroed with control plus a because doubles often hide under unapplied scale. Now open the mesh menu, mesh cleanup. You're about to run targeted operations. These prerequisites reduce false positives and make removal deterministic, so don't skip them before moving to the removal tools. Next, invoke merge by distance and set a small threshold. Start at 0. 0,001 and increase until duplicates merge without collapsing geometry. Once you click merge, Blender consolidates vertices by proximity. If you're unsure, you select similar by location to preview which verts will merge. Isolate parts with L or local view to avoid affecting other islands. Make sure to recheck topology and remove loose geometry after merging. Finish by recalculating normals with Shift+N and deleting loose geometry to tidy the mesh. Once done, inspect shading and edge flow. If artifacts persist, run merge by distance again with a slightly different threshold and check affected areas. If shading still looks wrong, clear custom split normals and apply weighted normals to restore visual continuity. One key troubleshooting tip: if faces disappear, undo and lower the merge distance. That single change resolves most accidental collapses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.